What is up, guys? Jacob Rothenberg here. Not a video lesson for today, as we will resume those next week. What I'm really excited to share today is the first advanced review given out from one of my one-on-one coaching students, the best student so far that I am working with, who's just slaying the game, so creative with keywords, so creative with his approaches. He is going to quit his full-time job next year. Right now I think he's already reduced to part-time, if I'm not mistaken, but he is making over $1,000 a month starting from zero just a few months ago. And I think this is going to be his first 2K month. I'm telling him to go for 3. So it's super exciting. But Alex Jordan claiming that Revelavi, the course revealing out tomorrow, 5 p.m. on the west, 8 p.m. on the east. I'll provide the link otherwise it'll be at revelavi.com. It's going to come out by the time you're watching this, less than 24 hours. So get ready, guys. It's coming out. And from what Alex had to say, it is literally the best course he has ever purchased. Now, he didn't even say if that was the best course he ever purchased for self-publishing, but that holds some weight right there, right? So, hey, I'm not going to speak anymore on this. I'll just read what he wrote. If you want to take your publishing business to the next level, create long-term income, and create a dominant brand, you need this course. Yes, you do. The strategies in this course are so revolutionary, it will change publishing forever. Folks, the strategies taught in this course, no one has figured out yet until I've done it. I haven't seen anyone else doing it. But I would say if I didn't come up with it today or this year, this is what Kindle Publishing will ultimately evolve to with strategy in about 2 years from now, maybe 1 to 2 years. I just made it happen faster because I thought of it. So it's really, really, really good. It's changing the game. You'll see what I mean once you buy and take the course. But yes, despite the concepts being high level, I give you examples and a checklist is provided to ensure that I make sure you understand what a profitable keyword really is. I hit it step by step. We go through the process of what's not just a profitable keyword, but a keyword that can sustain long-term income, a keyword that's evergreen, something that'll make you money over the long term to where you don't have to worry about your income dropping to zero in some cases after 2 months or 3 months with a book. Instead, we want nice, sustaining, long-term income. Now, important, super important, tomorrow for 24 hours, the course itself is going to be released at $197. And hey, Alex Jordan claims it's worth at least $997. I think so too, but I'm not going to be that bold, and I'll just try to shut up and be humble. But yes, the course is going out for an undervalued price of $197. I know I'm leaving money on the table. I'm probably stupid, like flat out stupid for releasing this for $197. But I want you to have it. I want you to not have an excuse tomorrow as to why you can't afford this course if you're serious about publishing. If you are a Kindle publisher and you want to make more money and you're serious about doing so, buy this course. $197 for 24 hours. After Saturday at 5 p.m., I'm putting the price up at $297, and who knows? I might have to keep increasing it because it's still undervalued. Now, if you're in the Elite Keyword Mastermind, the price of $197 will hold indefinitely. So whether you're a current or even new member of the Elite Keyword Mastermind, you can get the course at $197. And along with that, there's going to be some coaching specials running. You can see in the course overview from 2 days ago that we recorded on what that entails. But yeah, it's coming out tomorrow, 5 p.m. West, 8 p.m. East. You got to get it. So, and that's just one review, okay? So again, Alex was not paid or asked to give his thoughts. This is an honest review from him, and he did take the whole course. So boom, right there. Another man who has gone through it, or is going through it, is Kevin McGuire, the publisher that is also a writer. And he's going through the course. He has an advanced copy. And hey, I could keep going through it. I think you know what to expect going if you watch the overview. But yes, it is taking out right now. It's going to take out a lot of people in Kindle publishing who don't follow these strategies. You have the AK-47 in a fist fight for the keywords you're chasing after once you have this course. And again, with the price of $197, what do you have to lose? So if you have any questions about the course, leave comments below. Otherwise, again, revolavi.com tomorrow, 5 p.m. PST, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Let me know if I need to PM you to send you a reminder. Otherwise, stay tuned for tomorrow, guys. See you later.